Hi, my name's Hannah and today I'm going to be talking to you about the science behind Hydr8 B5. Our best-selling moisturising serum, Hydr8 B5, is an infusion of intense hydration and long-lasting moisture. The crystal clear formula with multi-weight hyaluronic acid effortlessly supercharges your routine by enhancing the power of your moisturiser and leaving your skin supple, smooth and restored every single day. Hydr8 B5 was formulated to be the perfect addition to any skincare regime. A simple formula for a simple application, the ultra moisturising serum has a wealth of benefits for the skin's natural hydration network. Hydr8 B5 drenches the skin cells with moisture, plumping out the appearance of fine lines and leaving the skin soft to the touch, intensely hydrated and healthy looking. The Silky Smooth Serum contains hyaluronic acid, a major component in our natural extracellular matrix, also known as the framework our skin sits on. The large sugar molecule can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in water by drawing H2O molecules to itself, binding water from the atmosphere and lower layers into the complexion. This enhances the skin's natural barrier so it doesn't lose water throughout the day. Enriched with vitamin B5, the moisture retention of the serum is boosted and improves the regenerative cycle of skin cells. The hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 work in synergy to leave the complexion looking plump and youthful. Taking hydration to the next level, Hydr8 B5 uses a blend of multi-weight hyaluronic acid. This means we infuse the serum with small, medium and large sizes of hyaluronic acid. The smaller molecules are able to penetrate deep into the skin and draw hydration up from the lower layers of the dermis. The larger sizes are too big to get into the skin's network and instead sit on top of the complexion, acting as a moisture reservoir to continuously feed the upper layers of the skin with water and block loss of hydration to the environment. Used together, small, medium and large molecules of hyaluronic acid distribute moisture throughout the entirety of the skin for a smooth and supple complexion. Hydr8 B5 proves to be the perfect match for those who want to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving skin looking youthfully supple. It is ideal for infusing hydration into dehydrated skin types and is a perfect addition to your routine throughout the colder months of the year or in a colder climate. The serum is also suitable for all skin types, even sensitive. After cleansing in the morning and evening, massage 6 drops of Hydr8 B5 across the face, neck and décolletage. The lightweight formula absorbs really quickly, so we'd recommend to apply a moisturiser on top of the serum to lock in hydration tight.